Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, you're making six figures or damn close to it, but every month you're still stressed about money. Your paycheck hits and 2 weeks later, it feels like it never existed. Sound familiar? Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. It's rarely about how much you earn. It's almost always about the silent money habits quietly draining your bank account. Today, I'm breaking down the 11 bad money habits that are keeping even high earners broke. These aren't the obvious ones like don't buy coffee. These are the sneaky, everyday behaviors that destroy wealth, even when you're bringing home good money. If you're tired of feeling like you're running on a financial hamster wheel, stick with me till the end. I'm also sharing one simple shift you can make today that actually moves the needle. Let's jump in. Habit number 1, lifestyle creep / lifestyle inflation. Number 1, and this one hits hard, is lifestyle creep. You get a raise or a bonus and suddenly your life upgrades. Better apartment, nicer car, more expensive vacations, eating out more often. What used to feel like a luxury now feels normal. The problem, your spending rises exactly with or faster than your income. So even though you're earning more on paper, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Fix. When you get a raise, decide in advance that at least 50% of it goes straight to savings or investments before you even see it. Protect your future self from your current self. Habit number 2, paying yourself last. This is huge. Most people pay all their bills, rent, subscriptions, and fun stuff first, and then save whatever is left over, which is usually nothing. That's backwards. Fix. Pay yourself first. As soon as your paycheck hits, automatically transfer 15 to 25% or more into savings or investments. Treat your future like the most important bill you have. Habit number 3, spending to impress others. Buying things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people you don't even like. Luxury cars on payments, designer clothes, over-the-top vacations for the gram. This habit is expensive and exhausting. Real wealth is quiet. The people who are actually rich rarely look rich. Fix. Shift your mindset from looking rich to being rich. Ask yourself, would I still buy this if nobody ever saw it? Habit number 4, no real budget or spending awareness. You don't track where your money goes, you just wing it every month. Then you're shocked when there's nothing left. High earners especially fall into this because they think, I make good money, I don't need to budget. Wrong. The more money you make, the more dangerous it is not to track it. Fix. Use a simple system. Even if it's just the 50-30-20 rule or a basic app. Know exactly where every dollar is going. Habit number 5, relying on credit cards like free money, treating credit cards as extra income instead of borrowed money, carrying balances month after month and only paying the minimum. That 20 to 25% interest rate is silently killing your wealth. Fix. If you can't pay it off in full every month, you probably can't afford it. Use credit cards for convenience and rewards, never for borrowing. Habit number 6, no emergency fund, life happens. Car breaks down, medical bill, job loss. Without 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, you're forced to go into debt, which makes everything worse. Even high earners get wrecked by this one because they think it won't happen to me. Fix. Build your emergency fund first. Make it automatic and boring. Keep it in a high-yield savings account. Habit number 7, impulse buying and emotional spending shopping when you're bored, stressed, or celebrating. Online carts filled at 11 p.m. Retail therapy. These small purchases add up to thousands every year. Fix. Implement a 24 to 48 hour rule for any non-essential purchase over $50. Most impulses die in that window. Habit number 8, delaying investing or not investing at all. Thinking I'll start investing when I have more money or the market is too risky right now. Time in the market beats timing the market. Compound interest is magic, but it needs time to work. Waiting 5 to 10 years can literally cost you hundreds of thousands or millions later. Fix. Start investing consistently today, even if it's just $100 to $200 a month. Increase it as your income grows. Habit number 9, keeping up with the Joneses on social media. Seeing everyone's highlight reel, vacations, new cars, fancy homes, and feeling like you need to keep up. This comparison game is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Fix. Do a social media detox or mute accounts that trigger you. Focus on your own financial goals, not someone else's curated life. Habit number 10, ignoring small recurring expenses. Subscriptions you forgot about, unused gym memberships, multiple streaming services, random small fees. These little things quietly add up to $2,000 to $4,000 plus every year. Fix, do a subscription audit every 3 months. Cancel anything you're not actively using. Habit number 11, thinking more money will fix everything. The biggest lie, if I just made more money, all my problems would disappear. Reality, higher income without better habits just means you'll be broke at a higher income level. Fix, focus on building systems and habits first. Money amplifies who you already are. Conclusion plus call to action. So there you have it. The 11 bad money habits that are keeping even high earners broke. The good news, every single one of these is fixable. You don't need to change everything overnight. Pick just 1 or 2 habits from this list and start working on them this week. My challenge for you, comment below with the number of the habit that hit you the hardest. Let's hold each other accountable. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. I drop fresh personal finance content every week designed to help you build real wealth. Thanks for watching. You've got this. Now go take control of your money. I'll see you in the next one.